Hi, this is Devasya and welcome to Legistify's contract management module. Today we'll have a walkthrough on how to create a new template. If you see here, when you create a new template, you can go to template contract. This is the list of templates that are present currently. How this is editable and how I can create a new template. Let's go to settings and let's go to build contract templates. If you see here, all of the templates that were mentioned in the new section are present. One of the templates was already made, but you can enable or disable the availability of those templates by clicking on this toggle button. Now, to create a template from scratch, click on Add Template. Here you will be given an option to choose between automated contract and manual contract. Let's click on automated contract. Here you can enter the template type, like for example, entering NDA and template type as general itself. And you want to set the entity as Legistify template name can be changed to whatever your requirements. I'm adding it as template category as whatever the category you feel. You want it to be third party contract, you want it to be available for quick sign, or you want it to do it yourself, so on. I'm setting it as a quick sign. Also, you can set it for multiple other categories as well. I'm setting it for 2 or 3 or 4, so on. Now you can choose the users who will be the default users for this particular template. I'm setting all of the users of this particular tool. You can also choose the default email which will go to the specific users on the creation of this particular contract, or you can say any updates regarding to this particular contract. I'm again adding all of the people that are on this tool. Now for default signatory users, I'm putting it again for all of the users of the tool. You can click on next. It will take you to the create form particular section. Here you can type down the entire agreement. For example, this agreement stands for non-disclosure. You can add whatever the agreement should look like right here, and you can click on save template. Also, you can add certain components by clicking on this particular section. Edit what is the field type. For example, the field type of the component that I'll be adding is a number format. What is the labeling that you want to put? For example, I'm putting it as sample. Right? What is the sample file? What is a placeholder, meta tags, and so on. After doing this, you can just click on save button right here. It will save the component. Now you can also copy this particular component and just copy paste it right here. You can edit the component based on our requirements by clicking on the edit option. You can also delete the component by clicking on the delete button. And now you can click on save template. If you go to build contract templates right here, you will be able to see the new contract template that I have just generated. You can also toggle this contract for availability based on this particular button. You can switch it on and off by clicking on this. You can edit this contract again by clicking on the edit button, and this contract gets displayed. You can do the necessary edits and then click on OK. You can also click on this duplicate button to duplicate this particular template. You can type the subtype, types, template names, and entity, and so on, and duplicate the template. Currently, I'm enabling this by clicking on this button. Now to see whether the template has been added or not, let's go to new section and click on quick sign. If you see here, this particular contract is available for quick sign form. As because in the contract type that we had made in the template, it was set to quick sign and few others. Coming back, this is how you create a new contract template. Thank you.